Sahih Al-Bukhari 3371, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for Al-Hasan and Al-Hussein and say, your forefather, i.e. Ibrahim, used to seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for Ismail and Ishaq by reciting the following, O Allah, I seek refuge with your perfect words from every devil and from piteousness, pests, and from every evil, harmful, envious eyes. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3372, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi said, we are more liable to be in doubt than Ibrahim when he said, my Lord, show me how you give life to the dead. He, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala slide, don't you believe then? Ibrahim said, yes, but I ask in order to be stronger in faith. 2.260, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send his mercy on Lot. He wished to have a powerful sport. If I were to stay in prison for such a long time as Joseph did, I would have accepted the offer of freedom without insisting on having my guiltless less declared. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3373, narrated Salma bin Al-Aqwa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by some persons of the tribe of Aslam practicing archery, i.e. the throwing of arrows. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O offspring of Ismail, practices archery, i.e. arrow throwing, as your father was a great archer, i.e. arrow thrower. I am with on the side of the son of so and so. Hearing that, one of the two teams stopped throwing. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked them, why are you not throwing? They replied, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how shall we throw when you are with the opposite team? He said, throw, for I am with you all. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3374, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, some people asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the most honorable among guests, the people? He replied, the most honorable among them is the one who is the most Allah fearing. They said, O Allah's Prophet, we do not ask about this. He said, then the most honorable person is Joseph, Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the son of Allah's prophets, the son of Allah's Prophet, the son of Allah's Khalil. They said, we do not ask about this. He said, then you want to ask me about the Arabs' descent? They said, yes. He said, those who were best in the pre-Islamic period are the best in Islam if they comprehend the religious knowledge. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3375, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive Lot. He wanted to have a powerful sport. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.